just like a bruised moon, harvest dust gets a sight. All them stars, tiny little daddy know that he's a took the fabric of night. He's been waiting out there for the sad soul and weary. He's been waiting in the dark since the light was made. He's been filling out the farmer's where the plainly unspoken, sharpening your wits, weighing no rusty blade. And a long gone hogweed John cast down the word for the one that was done. Well, a long gone hogweed John straight out from when it all went wrong. Well, there, young Jay, I lost a lonely life so peaceful in the private bed. Keeping messing, but nobody missed her. She's always in the way because the good Baptist says they're hoping to upon us from a tall dark stranger. Show her lights brighter than the green ocean sheen. But the bounty he's bringing cost a whole lot more than money. Sweet spoken lies, they're exalting your dreams. And you're long gone, hogweed John. So walk from heaven, but so lead her home. But you're long gone, hogweed John. Come out from home when it all went wrong. A shadow on the rise. John was out fishing for a catchy prize. Right on hunkering down the original sin. The beast is on the bottom. There's a man with him. Well, the stain on her head. A pretty purple flower like ribbons like tears. From a long blonde hair, she wore a smile that looked as long as a fireman who father. Holding in the dream by the gilly ocean. What a long gone hogweed John. So far from heaven, but so you go home. Well, a long gone hogweed John. Straight out from home when it all went wrong. Well, a long gone. Well, a long gone. Well, a long gone. She was 10 miles from her home when it all went kind of wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rattling, roaring Willie, he went down to the fair for to sell his fiddle and buy some other ware. But when he took out his fiddle, I saw it plenty see. A rattling, roaring Willie, you're welcome home to me. And it's Willie, come sell your fiddle, come sell your fiddle so fine. Willie, come sell your fiddle and buy a pint of wine. If I should sell my fiddle, the world would think I'd gone mad. For many's around tonight that need my fiddle I've had. As I come back Crockhallen, I can't really kick a bend. So rattling, roaring Willie, I sitting at John Bourdain. I sitting at John Bourdain, a man get company. Rattling, roaring Willie, you're welcome home to me. It's Willie, come sell your fiddle so fine. Willie, come sell your fiddle and buy a pint of wine. If I should sell my fiddle, the world would think I'd gone mad. For many's around tonight that me and my fiddle have had. Willie, come sell your fiddle so fine. Willie, come sell your fiddle and buy a pint of wine. If I should sell my fiddle, the world would think I'd gone mad. For many's a rant tonight, my fiddle I've had. For many's a rant and roaring night that me and my fiddle have had. For many's a drunken snoring night that me and my fiddle have had. it's raining again, like it's never gonna stop. I stand in the doorway, I counting every raindrop. I lived in the city, I live by the sea. For every broken man, well, there's a broken dream. Every day I think things will get better. There is more than one way to forget. Sun will shine, sun will shine, sun will shine, the sun will shine, sun will shine, the sun will shine on me. And it's a cruel hard wind that's blowing down your road. To be down and out, well, it's a heavy load. For 40 days and 40 nights, well, I've been praying for the sun to shine and maybe shed some light. Every day I think things will get better. No, 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 there is more than one way to forget. Sun will shine, sun will shine, sun will shine, the sun will shine, sun will shine, the sun will shine on me. So shine on. I think things will get better. There is more than one way to forget. Oh, let me tell you now, the sun will shine, the sun will shine, 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 somewhere the sun will shine, somewhere the sun will shine, somewhere the sun will shine. You can stop it. I'm telling you, my head's red with the midnight dew. I've been down up on my bending knees while I've been talking to the man from Galilee. Well, my God spoke and he spoke so sweet. I thought I heard a shovel of angels' feet. Put one hand upon my head, great God Almighty, let me tell you what it's. Go tell that long-tongued liar, go tell that midnight rider, tell the rambler, the gambler, the backbiter,